Before the fridge hummed all night, Salt did the job and never complained. Before the plug, before the light, before did you shut the door real tight. Meat hung packed in crystal white, Salt kept dinner through the night. No apps, no cords, no power bill, just time, restraint, and human skill. Fish, beef, pork, whatever you caught, Salt said relax, I got this locked. Salt was the fridge was the dream. Now we fear the salt and trust the machine. Funny how simple gets labeled old, while complicated breaks when the lights go cold. They said too much salt, that stuff ain't right. Then invented powders no one can cite. Turns out wisdom didn't need a plug, just patience, minerals, and a rub. Salt pulls water, stops the rot. Science knew it, Bible taught. Preserve the meat, preserve the word. That's why salt was more than a verb. Cities rose where salt was found. Wars were fought on salty ground. But once cold boxes ruled the land, salt got blamed instead of banned. Salt was the fridge was the dream. Now we fear the salt and trust the machine. Funny how simple gets labeled old, while complicated breaks when the lights go cold. They traded crystals for chemicals fast, shelf life short, ingredients vast. Turns out the danger wasn't salt at all, it was forgetting why it works so well. Salt never failed, we just upgraded ourselves into dependence. So if the power blinks and the freezer cries, remember old wisdom didn't need a supply. Not fad, not fear, not trend to chase, just ancient knowledge time couldn't erase. Turns out preservation was a skill before it was an appliance.
Turn this into a comedy teaching song cycle. Create one for the song be forgotten.